behalf of the Ministry of Indigenous Peoples Affairs of the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, Philippines, and the Bangsamoro people, I extend my heartfelt congratulations to HWPL on the 10th anniversary of the HWPL World Peace Summit. These milestones marks a decade of tireless dedication to the cause of peace, a vision that brings us all together. The Declaration of Peace and Cessation of War, DPCW, which began at this summit, shines as a beacon of hope, reminding us all to dream of and work for a world without war. It is through this declaration that we awaken the spirit of peace within every heart, not just here in the Philippines, but across the globe. As we gather together, let us remember that we are all peace messengers, entrusted with the sacred duty to carry this message to every corner of the world. In the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, Philippines, the indigenous people hold a deep-rooted belief in the principles of peace, justice, unity, and harmony. The path to true peace is one that we walk together hand in hand with HWPL, striving to create a world where the rights, cultures, and dreams of all people are respected and protected. This event reminds us of the power of unity and regional collaboration in building a peaceful future for our children and generations to come. As we celebrate the achievements of the past 10 years, we also look forward with excitement and hope for the future. Together, let's strengthen the IP project into a more systematic, multidimensional, and long-term strategy for peace. This anniversary is a call for all of us, reminding us that we are not just individual or nation. We are one global community, united in our pursuit of peace. We are one.